Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting, anything in earnest. Beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. In this poem, the poet says that the word beauty is not only a specific thing that can be defined, it can be seen, heard, and felt too. In the first stanza, the poet says the beauty can be seen in innumerable things around us. It can be seen in the sunlight when it falls on other components of nature, such as trees, agricultural fields, various birds, and their actions. Beauty can also be seen in the harvesting of corn and farmers with their family enjoying their gains. In the second stanza, the poet says that the beauty is heard when the rain clatters on the roofs, when the wind passes by, when the cricket calls at night, when someone enchants hymns and offers prayers to Lord, and also when a singer sings a melodious song seriously. In the third stanza, the poet says that the beauty lies in oneself, in good people's thought, in pure minds, in lovely heart, and in their kind deeds. The poet actually wants to say that if any person doesn't have hatred and jealousy for others, the beauty lies inside them and is remembered even after the person passes away. To conclude, it can be said that beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. It means beauty is nothing specific. Whatever is seen around us is beauty when we look at it with a beautiful perception.